when we set out to build this library, we tried to design the families so that they are flexible enough to represent products from any manufacturer. You'll note that when you click on any of the families and go to their parameters, that there are options for width and height and depth and other parameters as necessary for that, including mounting heights for each and every one of them. So again, we try to make them really flexible and easy to use and give you simple graphics. So let me give you a more detailed look at all the families that are available. I think we have 35 different families in the library. I'll start over here. This one along the wall is a folding shower seat family, and then we have a shower rod family. We have several different options for mirrors with and without frames and with and without shelves. We have some counter mounted families, soap dispensers, paper towel dispenser, trash. Continuing down the wall, we have some paper towel dispensers. Again, a bunch of different options available for you so you can get the graphic that you're after. We have options built into them where appropriate for surface mounted versus recessed. So these are actually paper towel and waste receptacles. We have a couple of freestanding trash receptacles, and then again trash receptacles without the paper towel dispensers, toilet paper dispensers, napkin dispensers, seat covers, a soap shelf and soap dispensers, and just another little shelf, coat and robe hooks. You may notice as I'm pointing to some of the families, there's an extra line that's kind of invisible here. What this invisible line that's built into the families allows us to do is when these objects are above the typical cut plane for a floor plan, they might not display in floor plan. So this invisible line extends those objects down to the floor to ensure that they show up in your floor plan view. Continuing along, we have some hand dryers, a couple of baby changers, a towel bar, towel rack, and last but not least at the end here we have some medicine cabinets. So that's what we have in the library. You can see what they look like here in a 3D view. Let me give you a quick look at a couple other views. Let me go to a plan view. I'll switch over to that. Each of these families is non-hosted, which means that they're very easy to move around. You can click and just place them wherever you want, but they align nicely back into place afterwards. You can see that highlight. We intentionally built them as non-hosted so that if somebody deletes a wall and these objects weren't visible, that these don't get deleted. So it was intentional that we built these as non-hosted families. So that's what they look like in the plan view, and let me show you in the elevation view. So again, clean, simple graphics, and each of the families is flexible enough to represent products from any manufacturer. Thanks for watching.